guys, and welcome to my vlog. Excuse the lack of eye makeup. I feel like I always start my videos looking awful, but here we are. So I'm just on the train going up to London Bridge. I'm pretty sure it's the next station. Yeah, it's the next station, because Alice and I have got a little girls trip to the, oh my god, are you ready? Shangri-La. I have never been to the Shangri-La, like ever. I've never been to a hotel so fancy. I don't think I know what I'm gonna do with myself. I'm wearing trainers, I'm wearing jeans. I don't know whether I'm actually dressed appropriate. My sister's on the train with me.
I'm going back to uni.
Yeah, she's going to uni, so no. She keeps saying to me, she's like, can I sneak in? Can I come for dinner?
Literally.
I'm like,
all I want is a steak. I just want a good steak.
She doesn't want much, but yeah, I'm really excited. When I get in, I'm gonna put some of my makeup on. Alice is, oh, I can't speak. Alice has got like a massive list of things she wants to shoot, and I have like a few things I want to shoot, so it's literally not even going to be relaxing. We're going like, we're changing outfits. She wants to shoot stuff at Boo Avenue, so she's going to be in her underwear, lucky me. And Galentine's, and yeah, and then we've got a dinner, but I'm really excited. How many times am I going to say that? But I am really excited.
You just got to do like a tally.
A tally? Oh, I can't do that. I'm not good enough at editing. You guys can count and let me know in the comments. Here she is! Hi! You're right! Oh my god, you look so good. Look at you. She put me to shame. I have no makeup on,
no.
And you look really cute.
Thank you.
Let me see your nails, let me see them. Oh wait, it's not focused. Focus.
Tap on the heart or something.
Does that work?
I think it does when you tap on a finger. Come on, Hart.
Yes.
Yay, thank you, Arcadia and Raw.
Oh, amazing. Here it is. And they have really cute little Valentine's hearts in the window. How cute. We just bought some Krispy Kremes as well. Yeah. Literally living all our Galentine's dreams. Love that. Oh my god, what do they call this? It's like Inception.
Inception.
Alice, do the honours. Okay. We're about to go into the room.
3704.
I am not ready for this. OMG.
I don't know what.
Oh my gosh, nor do I.
Oh
my gosh.
My god.
Oh my gosh, the blinds are down.
Oh.
We need to turn them up.
Oh my god, no.
Is this a suite?
Yeah.
Oh my god, the size of the bed.
There's a double shower.
Oh, I'm tripped. I'm that excited. I did not think we were getting a suite. Okay, we need to pull up the blinds. Hang on, should we pull them all up and then re-show?
There's like a walk-in wardrobe.
Oh my god, hang on. I'm going through this too. This is like, oh, hang on, lights. Oh, Alice, where's the key? I need to put the key in. Oh, there's cake.
The panic. Oh my god.
Okay, I can't cope. I can't cope.
I love to do. I love to do a room tour.
There we go.
Before I wreck the room.
Oh my god, as if. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god, Alice. What the hell? Oh my god. Dear Alice, welcome to the Shangri-La. Enjoy your stay in the clouds.
Oh my god,
so cute. Oh, I actually cannot cope with this. Look at the desk where no work's going to be done. The bath. Oh my goodness. This is unreal. I'm literally freaking out. This is not very me. I think this is probably a good time now to disclose that Alice got this gifted. Just become friends with a travel journalist. That is my best advice in life. Just become friends with one. Nespresso. My mum would like that. Oh my gosh, I've literally just had 2 minutes.
They're so hard to have.
Are they?
Yeah, because you don't like. There's only so many corners, aren't there, per floor?
Four corners. Oh, we are elite.
I'm freaking out.
This is crazy. Oh, I don't want to look down. Oh my god. So I've had a bit of a quick change. I'll do this in the bathroom. Oh my god, like, did you see how many sparkles came up then? This lighting is unreal. So yeah, I've had a bit of a quick change because I've been shooting some content. I was actually shooting stuff for the new Britney Spears fragrance, which goes quite well with my outfit, so I was like, yes, living for that. Alice is currently midway shooting her little Bow Avenue cheekiness video, which is very fun to film. I feel like a lot of boys would be jealous of me right now because she looks great. The super lovely PR girl has organised us drinks and dinner. OMG, I literally am so excited right now. I can't even contain it. The sky is slowly getting a little bit darker. I'm hoping for a nice sunset. If not, I'm not too mad about it. Sunrise, we're not even going to shut any of the windows tonight. We're just going to wake up to natural light, which I actually can't wait for. Also, off topic, but the bathroom has a TV. Hang on, I really want this to turn on. Look at that. Oh my God, fancy. And also, TMI, but I'm going to tell you anyway. So the bathroom has one of those little like front flush and back flush, no, rear and front, and I just did it on me, and it was the weirdest feeling. It felt like a backwards wee, like it felt like a wee, but the other way around. It was very odd. I was screaming and Alice was like, are you okay? I was like, I'm fine. I'm like the little guinea pig. I'm like, I'll try anything, give me anything. Unless it's food, then Alice can be the guinea pig because I'm too fussy for that shit, but you know, I'm just chatting, I'm just so excited. So we are about to head for dinner. This is my dress, literally making these sparkles on my face. Like, look at that. Oh my God, sparkly to the extreme. So yeah, we're gonna head down for drinks and then we're gonna go down to dinner. I'll show you Alice's outfit because she looks super cute.
Hello.
We've both gone for the sparkles, very unintentionally, actually.
Ooh, little bracelet there.
Let me go further back so you can see.
This is a quiz number.
Quiz, love it, so cute. She's got her, oh yeah, and her Louboutins.
Which I just love to. I throw them on with every outfit. You probably see it.
Yeah, it's good investment, very good investment piece. But yeah, we're gonna head off now. Oh, very excited for dinner. God, me too. So we've just got to the Gone Bar. Our sparkles are literally just like making me look so strange. But this is the view. It's basically the same view as our bedroom, pretty much. But it's really, really cute. And this is the menu. Alice was like, it smells like Penhaligon's in here. It smells very, very expensive. Oh my gosh, look how fancy this is all written. I feel like Tommy would like this. All the,
Good evening, how are you?
So I've obviously gone for the classic, that is a porn star martini. If it wants to focus, there we go. This is really cute. And then look how they served my little Prosecco shot in a little teeny tiny champagne glass. Alice gone for an old fashioned. I swear this girl is like an 80-year-old man in spirit. Like, I love you, but you are. You're too wise. You're too wise to be 22. Yeah. Is it nice? Taste test.
So good.
Oh, I can't wait to try mine. OMG. So the verdict is that I look disgusting. Alice looks nice. I look gross.
It's no point, guys. I'm so sorry.
She's pissed. She's pissed. This is meant to be business. I'm joking.
It's just making me laugh. Like she made a comment and I couldn't stop laughing because I was talking and like,
all I said was that because he said seeded and then he said seaweed and I got very confused because the bread is seeded and the butter is seaweed. So I looked at Alice and went, see what? And then yeah, she literally just couldn't cope. I'm just so funny. I know, comedy gold. Anyway, so this is le menu. It's very posh and full of things I don't like, but I'm gonna try and push myself. I've got myself some sourdough. Oh, that was a bit gross. And then this is the view. It literally is the same view as above, but with a corner, so it's something a little bit different. They've also given us a little area to put our bags, which I'm really appreciative of. Literally, this glass of champagne. Yeah, this is going to be the end of us.
The night is young.
I was meant to film a nighttime skincare routine.
It's going to be the drunk night.
It's going to be the drunk night care skin routine. I think that would get quite a lot of views though. Maybe not.
Maybe we should film that together.
Let's do it.
I just did a weird wink.
It'd be my video after this one. So this is my beef tartare. It's got little caviar bits on it, which I'm a bit nervous about, not gonna lie. Alice has got scallops with some sauce.
It's a stock.
It's a chicken stock with oyster and tuna, and I think it's scallops, not oyster. I'm making stuff up. And then this here is sourdough with apple cider powder, which looks a bit like pork crackling, to be fair.
It'll probably offset the tartare quite nicely.
Is that what is it meant to go with it?
Offset the flavours.
I really hope you guys care about all the things I'm eating, but you probably don't. So this is a burrata. It is cheese. I don't know what kind of cheese, but it's cheese. Burrata. Alice has
got
also
the
got the
same,
same. She copied me. No, I'm joking.
No, but it means that in France we can both get burrata.
Is it a French thing?
It's more Italian, but they do serve it in France.
There we go. I've told her,
We can expect
as long as
to
she
see
doesn't give me frog's legs or snails, I'll be fine in Paris. And no fish. But I did eat the last one, to be fair, actually. Oh my god, you can see my face. I did eat the last one, which was like oyster. Didn't eat the caviar. Oh my god, so shiny. Shine alert. So we have just got some non-alcoholic beverages because I think that's the best thing to do. This one here is called a strawberry delight and it's like a strawberry smoothie. And this is Alaska, something Alaska. What's it called?
I've forgotten.
Frozen Alaska? I don't think it's called that. Anyway, I literally just come here to say that I'm absolutely not doing my skincare video tonight. Mains have arrived. Okay, we're back in the room and I've got one of the Charlotte Tilbury like dry sheet masks on because I'm just doing a little bit of skincare hype. I feel like after the other spa that I went to yesterday, basically like my skin just feels really bad, so I've been putting quite a bit of retinol on it as well, like over the last few days. So I think I'm just going to kind of put this mask on, leave it on for like 15 minutes and then like I think that'll be it for skincare today. I might put a bit of a mist on, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I don't look like I'm gonna kill you. Good morning, London. I'm so glad we've got even just a little bit of the sunrise today. It's a bit cloudy, as you can see over here, but so lovely. Yes, really nice. I literally cannot get over this lighting. So we're about to head down for breakfast. I've done my makeup, packed the, well, we've packed as much luggage as we can. That's Alice's, mine is over there somewhere. Haven't even tried to close it yet because I'm quite worried that it's not going to close because I mean there's quite a lot of stuff in there, but it's fine, it's fine. We're gonna head down to breakfast now and then we've got to be at an event for 11, which I'm not gonna lie, I think we're gonna be late for, but we're gonna try our best not to be. I just don't want to leave this room. It's just honestly amazing. Like I do not want to leave. It's just incredible. This is honestly, me and Alice were talking about this morning. We were like, it's a once in a lifetime experience. And like, I'm just trying to make the most of it as I can. God, it's just unreal. Like, I genuinely cannot believe it. Wow. Breakfast is served. Alice and I have gone a bit OTT, but
I think we've been.
I don't care.
Actually,
like,
this is round one.
No, oh my god. Basically, to be fair, I've got all this fruit, but I don't like fruit very much, so Alice is going to be a very full woman after this. But we've got some croissants, we've got some, what's it called? No, it's not patisserie. What do you call like croissants? Continental. And then, yeah, just some, that's it. And then this is our view, which it's not too shabby, is it? Look at that. Love that. And loving the little handbag stalls. Oh my god, I think that she's brought that over. What a babe. I just can't stay in another hotel now. If they're not bringing me a handbag stall, then there's a problem. So we are back in the room. We've got, what's the time? 15 minutes till we need to check out. We're currently like packing stress. Alice needs to straighten her hair. And then we're gonna head to like Oxford Circus where I think we're gonna like do some work. Boring. Admin. We love it. We've got Paris to plan anyway. I think that'll be like the next travel vlog after this one. Like we've got Paris. I'm so excited. OMG. But there's like, because even today we found a little bit stressful, like when it comes to taking pictures. I know it sounds silly and like obviously I sound like a typical influencer, but it is actually quite stressful when you've promised a client like pictures and you have to really plan it out, because a photo could literally take you like an hour longer than you think it would, just because it's quite hard to get the angle,
or you don't get the shot.
Yeah,
you thought you were gonna get.
Yeah, or it just doesn't work out and you've got to kind of, I don't know, it's all to do with the lighting. Like the lighting is the thing that messes you up the most. So we're gonna try and plan Paris and actually really try and get it like nailed. That's the right word, get it nailed. But I will, you're helping me because I can't speak. Like Jesus Christ. I feel like Alice is a good person because I forget words and she just like chirps in, which is great. But I will probably end this vlog now. I know this whole vlog has literally just been me like getting gassed up about this hotel room, but it has honestly been amazing. Like, I'll give you the view one last time. I know you probably are sick of it at this point, but I'm just obsessed. But yeah, thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you stayed here or any of the other Shangri-Las, because I would like to stay at another one. Maybe when I'm a millionaire, maybe in like 20 years, 10 years, but we will see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you don't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!